Okay, unboxing uli, man. Pero, sa Garden naman tayo, man. So, ayan. So, pinadalan na tayo ni Garden. Perfumery, or fragrances, man. Guys, you have to check them out, man. Sobrang interesting ng mga fragrances nila. So, anyways, eto na yung box, man. Okay. Mukhang maganda rin ang presentation ni Garden, guys. Alright. Ang premium, ah. Ang galing, ah. Maison de Parfums Garden. O, diba? Kala mo, MFK, man. At ito, ang laman. Men, meron pang welcome letters. Men, parang umorder ng niche fragrance. Parang umorder ng niche fragrance, man. Our house to yours. Quiet gesture sent with. Men, they feel like a niche fragrance. And I think they are, men. But at a very affordable price, man. Kasi own blends nila to, guys. No, own blends nila to. Ang ganda. Man, you have to try them out. Purchase the full bottle if you want a packaging like this, man. Ang ganda. And meron pa palang parang bag, no? Which is lalagyan nata siya ng perfume. And we do have some decants. Here. Hindi ko alam kung ano siya, kung ano yung laman. But anyways, man, tignan nyo naman ang package, man. Diba? Ang kulit, para siyang yung itsura ng mga logo ng fragrance. It reminds me of Deep Teak, man. Okay. Yung bote nila is parang Byredo, man. Parang Byredo yung bote, man. This Beach House, I specifically wanted to try this one out. Pero I think yung Milk Box, yung kanilang bestseller, this is the one that I would like to try. Sa pagkakaintindi ko sa note profile or scent profile neto, based on ano nakikita ko sa store nila is si mango scent with a touch of coconut. Man, very interesting. And then, itong mga decants, I did not expect na magpapadala sila ng decant, guys. I was not expecting this at all, man. So this one is Tangerine Daydreams. I don't know what that is, but anyway, matatest naman natin. Hindi ko nga alam kasi nga, guys, own blends to, and I'm exploring own blends, no? Local. Nakakasama na rin kasi mga inspired fragrance, guys. Laging tanong is, gano'ng ka-close kay OG? Around ilang %? Man, explore kayo iba. And then, Milk Box. Ito yung sinasabi ko, man. Ito yung, I think, yung panlaban nila. Anyways, that would be it. I'm very excited to try this fragrance out. Hindi na makapagantay, man. Anyways, just tune in, guys. I'll be posting my first impressions dito sa mga fragrance na to. Anyways, thank you again, Garden, for sending this out. I'm super excited, man, to try these fragrances. Yun lang.